I'm Tammy at Beanstack. Today we'll be looking at running school competitions in your district. Imagine schools competing for the highest participation, most minutes logged, challenge completions, book reviews written, and so much more. Competitions like this are one of our best practices for engagement, so let's jump right in. To run a competition, let's head to your district dashboard here. First, click on View School Data. This is where you'll get a bird's eye view of how each school is performing. You can easily change the dates to focus on a specific period, like a month-long reading competition. And if you want to drill down further, you can filter by Reading Culture Awards to see which schools have earned this prestigious recognition. Now, let's head over to Reports. These are your data power tools. The School Reading Report is your go-to for competition data. Here, you can edit the date range for the report by clicking Change Dates. You can also customize the columns here to display exactly the metrics you need, like total minutes, number of books read, or challenge participation. Then simply download the report here, and you've got your competition leaderboards ready to go. Let's look at a real-world example from Charleston County School District. Each month, this district recognizes their top schools using different metrics. In this example, they rewarded schools with the most student participation, recognizing the reading efforts of so many students. School competitions are fantastic for creating a vibrant reading culture and celebrating student achievement. Whether it's a traveling trophy or a shout out on social media, recognizing your schools makes all the difference. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope this video has inspired you to run a school competition in your district. Be sure to check out our other Benny's Learning Lab videos and keep reading.